This is a special report from the NASA Deep Space Communications Network. Moments ago, a signal not from any known satellite, probe, or spacecraft locked directly onto Earth's deep space receiver array. The origin, an object billions of miles away. Its name, 3I/Atlas. And what's happening right now should be impossible. For months, astronomers tracked Atlas as just another interstellar visitor, a comet moving silently through the dark. But hours ago, the object changed course. Data shows an intentional redirection, a burn maneuver from an object with no engines, no propulsion, and no explanation. Every telescope that pointed toward it saw the same thing: a pulse, then static. At exactly 8:08 p.m. Eastern, NASA's Deep Space Network registered a binary sequence, repeating, structured, intelligent. Within minutes, the signal spread across global communication lines. Australia's Parkes Observatory picked it up first, then Madrid, then the Goldstone Array in California. The same 5 tones, the same timed intervals. When scientists overlaid them, something shocking appeared, a pattern identical to Earth's magnetic resonance field. In simpler terms, whatever sent it knows us, knows how our planet breathes. NASA confirmed an emergency briefing within the hour. But before that briefing could begin, the live feed from the Jet Propulsion Laboratory cut to white. For 7 full seconds, every camera aimed at Atlas showed nothing. No stars, no background, just white light. Then suddenly the object reappeared, split, as if something had broken free from its core. Astronomers describe it as an energy release event. But that term doesn't cover what happened next. Atlas accelerated instantly by over 1,200 miles per second. Not a drift, not a slingshot, precise vector shift toward the inner solar system. NASA tracking stations struggled to keep lock. Then the feed stabilized, and for the first time, the signal spoke again. 5 tones, then silence, then a data stream, long, structured, repeating. Experts at Caltech analyzed it live. The first decoded fragment wasn't a word, it was a map not of stars, but of Earth. Longitude, latitude, a location in the South Pacific, somewhere inside the Tonga Trench. The same region where, weeks ago, an unexplained electromagnetic spike was recorded. Within 30 minutes, major networks began cutting to emergency analysis. Phones overloaded, satellites glitched. The President's Science Advisory Board ordered NASA to shut down the live transmission. But the signal didn't stop. It followed the network. Even after disconnection, receivers across Asia still detected it. Somehow, Atlas was bypassing our entire communications infrastructure. Then came the leak, a data fragment uploaded anonymously. The title line read, "Do not transmit back." Inside the file, frequencies and translated code signatures showing something terrifying. The signal wasn't just being broadcast, it was responding. Every second, the sequence evolved, as if it was learning from our encryption protocols. NASA analysts confirmed it was reading us in real time. By midnight, NASA attempted a live briefing. But before the first question could be answered, all power at the Johnson Space Center flickered. The broadcast froze, and an emergency tone, the same one from Atlas, bled through every microphone. 12 seconds of tonal interference. Then a voice, not human, a layered, harmonic distortion that formed one phrase, "Do not fear transmission." Then silence. Every observatory lost contact simultaneously. The last visual of Atlas showed the object flaring as if igniting from within, and then vanishing beyond solar telemetry range. NASA ordered a full communications lockdown. Internet providers across several regions experienced unexplained signal bleed frequencies outside known radio bands. Then, something even stranger happened. Undersea microphones near the Tonga Trench, the same coordinates from the decoded signal, detected a pulse. The same 5 tones, echoing from below. The US Navy deployed reconnaissance drones. What they found remains classified, but leaked sonar imagery shows a metallic structure, triangular, wedged deep in the trench. Temperatures around it fluctuate every 7 minutes, exactly matching Atlas's previous pulse timing. Scientists believe part of the object detached and landed here. If that's true, it means we're no longer waiting for contact. Contact has already happened. As of this hour, NASA has not resumed live broadcasts. The Deep Space Network remains in lockdown. All public feeds have been rerouted through the Department of Defense. But internal chatter from scientists suggests the signal has not stopped. It's just changed frequency, lower, deeper, almost like a heartbeat. This is not an official confirmation of extraterrestrial contact, but it is a moment that will redefine how humanity sees itself. A silent traveler from another star, a message embedded in music, and a landing site beneath our oceans. We are witnessing history unfold, not in the sky above us, but in the deep silence below. Stay tuned. Stay alert. This is NASA Emergency Broadcast, signing off until further notice.